Welcome everyone to my channel. I'm restarting this channel and today I'll guide you through the process of creating a Gmail account. To access most online services, you need an email address and the most popular provider is Google. A Google account not only gives you access to Gmail but also to YouTube, Google Drive, Google Maps, Google Sheets, and many other Google products. Once you create an email account with Google, what we call a Google account, you unlock a wide range of online features. Let's get started with creating one. First, open any browser on your laptop and go to google.com. Once the page loads, you'll find a Gmail link in the top right corner. Click on it and you'll land on the Gmail sign-in page. Here, you will find Create Account button link. Click on the Create an Account button. You'll see three options: for my personal use, for my child, for work or business. As an individual user, choose for my personal use and click on it. A new page will open where you need to fill in your first name and last name. The last name is optional. You can leave it blank if you prefer. After entering your name, click Next. On the next page, you'll be asked to provide your birthday and gender. Fill in these details and click Next. Now, Google will suggest a few available Gmail addresses. If you like one of the suggested options, you can select it. Otherwise, click on Create your own Gmail address. In my case, I'll type Tabrizajaz with any number and click Next to check if it's available. If it is, you'll be asked to create a strong password. I'm entering a dummy password just for this example. Make sure your real password includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to keep your account secure. Once the password is accepted, you'll see a page asking for a recovery email. This step is optional. You can enter another email address in case you ever need to recover your account, or simply click Skip. Next, you'll reach the Review Your Account info page. It will show your name and the new Gmail address. If everything looks good, click Next. Now, you'll see Google's privacy and terms. Scroll down and click on I agree. That's it. You'll now be taken to your brand new Gmail inbox. From here, you can send emails, receive messages, and manage all your communication. All important emails will be available right here on this Gmail website. So, that's how easy it is to create a Gmail account using any browser on any computer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.